DJT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So an overall, like, Trump media stock's been doing good stuff, man. Like, it's kind of showing me that there is some hope for like reaccumulation. But before I get any further, just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of repetitions for me. And in this case, yeah, this is exactly what I was waiting for. So I'm seeing like a good break 1. If there is a break 2, obviously I'm getting involved. And yeah, I'm actually sitting on the edge of my seat here. What happens if this thing goes lower though? Obviously I'll keep you updated, but this is the only time where I'm actually going to get involved in terms of me buying. This is obviously all demo and simulated. It's not financial advice, so please don't listen to me, do your own due diligence. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy, and have a wonderful day for the rest of your day.